Alright, one of the popular free things to do here in New York City is to walk the High Line. You're elevated up above the craziness of the traffic down below. You can walk through and see some pretty cool architecture. So come take a stroll. It's pretty cool.
Thank you for your lovely manners, sweetheart. I appreciate it.
Is that hot chocolate?
Yeah, and there's a flower at the top.
Like a leaf, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Christine from Say Christine wrote a blog post on our site about 14 coffee shops the locals love, and Intelligentsia Cafe in the High Line Hotel was one of them. So we're happy to be using our own blog to help us find great places in New York from a local's perspective. So there's a link below. Check out that post. I think it's good coffee, but I think the other two that we had the other day at the Aussie Cafe were better. Bluestone, and the other one was Counterculture. I think they were better near Bryant Park. But this one's not too bad. Could be warmer though. I have a thing about coffee that's not hot enough.
Thanks for following us. Be sure to connect with us on our other social channels below.
And before you go, make sure you visit our website. You can get there by clicking the button below and collect your free Unplugged Travel Toolkit. That is going to give you all the resources you need to unplug from the chaos, follow your bliss, and we'll help you travel more with our 5-step plan, turning your travel dreams into reality. We'll see you there.
Join us now.